This is a proposed solution for the cowbell problem at hackproject.org. The device we have created, this is a prototype of what is supposed to hang on the cow. So we've used a Raspberry Pi, and it is connected for power to a solar battery source uh, that you can see right now. And this is powering the Raspberry Pi, which is transmitting a signal using the antenna that is just shown. This is running a software called PiFM, which is transmitting FM signal at 107.9 megahertz. We can change the signal source and the frequency of operation. Right now we are using this just to do a trial of the solution. So this is going to be held by Akarsan, and he's going to hold this about 200 meters away from where we are receiving the signal using another Raspberry Pi. Now this is the video of the reception unit that a person will hold to track a cow. So this, if you look at it, is a Raspberry Pi which is connected with an SDR receiver. We're using a cheap SDR that is available everywhere called RTL SDR, and then we have connected it to a whip antenna. If we connect it to a Yagi antenna, then it provides directionality. Right now we're just using to see if we can receive a signal from a far off distance. Akarsan has been transmitting from about 200 meters away, and we can now using this device, using RTL FM software that you can see on the screen right now, and receiving at 107.9 megahertz. That was the transmission frequency, and we are just going to directly route whatever we receive on the SDR to play the music playing application on Raspberry Pi, and this will allow us to hear whatever is being transmitted from the cow portion, the bell that is hanging around the cow. So to receive the sound, we can hear the sound using a headphone, or we can have a speaker attached to the Raspberry Pi. So if you can hear at the background, you can hear the transmitted signal from the bell around the cow. We can change the sound to anything we want, and we can also divert it to an interface which just gives you a sound interface whenever the direction of a cow is found. This is our basic setup. So basically we have two portions of it. One Raspberry Pi that goes around the cow's neck, which has the circuit that will send out the signal, and as the cow travels around, the signal is continuously transmitted, and the signal is received by this Raspberry Pi that is on the screen right now using an SDR, and that is able to receive the sound. Currently we tried it for around 200 meters radius, and it gives you a very good quality sound. With a better antenna, this will very easily cross a radius of over 2 to 3 kilometers.